Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I have got a new craft and an old craft to share with you. This comes from the lovely folks at Pixyls. I will pop a link to my original Pixyls unboxings because they've just brought out a new thing and I love a new thing. So, so I thought I ought to try it out. So, first of all, we'll look at my little free gift, which was for ordering before the end of the month, last month, I think. I can't remember. I think it was their spring thing. So this is an example of their 3 products that they now stock. So it's very nice that I get to try all of them. Isn't that lovely? Lovely card. Right, so this is an example of Pixyls, Bexyls and Vexyls. So Pixyls you will have seen me do before. I did an unboxing and I've also done them in a live. So in this case they are a lovely kind of alternative to diamond painting. Great for traveling because this is 3 stickers with everything. You don't need anything else except maybe a pair of tweezers. Definitely a pair of tweezers. So let's just grab mine. The way that this works is that you would take off this side piece. That just allows you to get at these stickers easier because it gives you an open edge to go at. I find being left-handed, it's easier for me to go in this way. So then this being colour number 1, wherever I see a number 1 on here, I'm going to fill it in with the little stickers, and they are about the same size as your diamonds that you are probably familiar with. You just want to pop them down like that, and then you'll build up the image with the pixels. There's always plenty. You get all that you would need. Now, Bexyls, I've not tried before, but these are designed for smaller hands. So whether it be that, you've got maybe, eyesight problems, you might have issues just dealing with the tiny little stickers. So in this case, we're going to grab our larger sticker here and pop it down on the number 1. And so again, we build up our picture. So it does say what they are. The first one is picnic basket. Second one is cheese. And then Vexyls is the newest of all the crafts. So this is the one that I haven't tried at all, because obviously Bexyls is just a big version of Pixyls. Vexyls, slightly different because we're working with different shapes and layers. So in this case, we've got all of our number 1s, but we're going to start with 14 as an example. So I'll grab up sticker number 14. Just make sure you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to place it. And then you can now see sticker number 14 also has numbers on it. So then we can go to our number 1. And place that and work our way around. So we're layering up the stickers. Okay, so those are our 3 ones. We've got Pixyls, Bexyls and Vexyls. So that was my free gift, which is brilliant and I love it. It does come with little instructions as well. It also suggests that obviously you could cut these 3 into strips, so you're not working on all 3 at the same time. These are my bigger Vexyls projects that I picked up. I went with bookmarks because I love a bookmark. So here is my, this is the Summer Berries bookmark. So once it's completed, oh, I'm just gonna move you out a bit, sorry. Okay. Once this is completed, it's gonna go into its protective case just to keep it all nice, which is great. But yeah, so this is really interesting. So here we've got, gosh, almost can't see these ones because we've got white stickers there, but it's going to be lovely when it's done. And then this one is bunnies and foxes, and is another bookmark. So again, we get our case for it to go into. This one's going to be so cute. So this is page 1 of 2 and page 2 of 2. So you can see we've got our little birds. And again, we are getting plenty of each sticker. So if you muck it up, doesn't matter. It's all going to be fine. These are fab. I can't wait to get started with these. So I will pop prices and links and everything down in the description. And as I say, I will link to my Pixyls playlist so you can see everything else that I've opened from them. They are based in Canada. And shipping to the UK was a flat rate, I think. I will check and find out for you. And I am very much looking forward to giving these a go. I might even try and do one of these in a live. So if you want to see me do that, do remember to hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I do go live. It tends to be on a Wednesday about 8 o'clock UK time, and I'm normally live for about an hour. Let me know if you've tried this before, which of these 3 options you would like to try, Pixyls, Bixyls or Vexyls, and yeah, let me know. I am always interested to find out what other people are interested in doing, because I'm just a bit nosy like that. But I think I'm always looking for something that's, you know, diamond painting adjacent, keeps my hands busy, allows me to build a little piece of art, particularly something useful like a bookmark, but that doesn't require me to take a lot of things with me if I am going out and about. So thanks for watching today. Please do remember to help the channel by liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And if you would like to support the channel more directly, you can do so by becoming a member on YouTube or a Patreon. Those of you that do already, you guys are the absolute best, and I love you loads. I'm going to leave this here, and until next time, stay crafty!